Yo, what's going on guys? Today I'll be showing you how to put Windows 10 on a USB drive, or how to create a bootable USB drive. Alright, this is super simple. First, grab a USB that's at least 8 gigs, then put Windows on it. And that's it. I'm just kidding, let's actually do this. So before we begin, you'll need a USB drive that's at least 8 gigs to hold Windows 10 on it. Now there are two ways to put Windows on a USB. You can either use the tool that Microsoft provides, and it'll do everything for you, or you can download a copy of Windows which is called an ISO file and put it on a USB with a tool called Rufus. Now you can use Rufus to put any ISO file on a USB drive. First, Google search Windows 10 download. You might either stumble upon this page, which is to download the tool. You can download the ISO file through this tool, or you might come across this page, which is just to download the ISO file. Download from whatever page you want. You just want the ISO file in this tutorial. In the tool, you'll be prompted with these two options. The first option does everything for you and you won't have to use Rufus to make a bootable USB. We'll do the second option today. Hit next and save it to your desktop. Now do a Google search for Rufus and download that. Plug in your USB and open up Rufus. You can leave all the settings at default. Change the name so it's easier to recognize. Click the little disk image and locate your Windows 10 ISO file and hit start. Once that is done, eject the USB and you should be good to go. Now to boot from the USB, plug it into the computer and in the splash screen look for a message for boot menu. And keep hitting that key on the keyboard. It might take a few tries, but once you're in the boot menu, then select the USB and press start. It should be straightforward from there, and if you want to activate Windows, just buy a cheap Windows 10 key from a reputable seller on eBay. Good luck with your build and thanks for watching.